Hi, Gracie. Yes, how are you? Are you going for camp? Sha, I'm ready. We are so ready this side. I've got my bags packed, everything. I can't wait. Okay, so are you camping? Great. See you there. Bye. Wait. Am I forgetting something? No, it's my hot water bottle. Okay, let me just put that down.
The season for camping has come once again. Many have invested in bags and some have invested in tents. But have you invested in insurance? With the growing risk of our environment, have you thought of the risk of travel? Have you thought of the risk of injury to camp meeting, from camp meeting, and even during camp meeting? How many times have accidents happened when we were least prepared? Have you really thought about your insurance? Advent's Risk Management through the East Zimbabwe Conference has the insurance just for you. From as little as 52 cents per person, you can insure your family, you can insure your friends, and also visitors that come to our camp meeting. From accidental events we all know can happen, such as injury, sickness, and even death. For more information, visit your local pastors before the 9th of August 2018 and be covered. Adventist Risk Management, the arm that carries your kids.